Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're putting two Garmin giants side by side, Vivoactive 6 versus Venu 3. If you've been wondering which one fits your wrist and your lifestyle, we've got you covered. We'll compare everything that matters: price, design and build, battery life, connectivity, key features, sound, and sensors. So stay with me till the end, because by the time we're done, you'll know exactly which Garmin is the better fit for you. Let's compare the price. We'll see which one is more budget-friendly and offers better value for your money. Now, let's talk about design and build. From style to comfort, which smartwatch looks better and feels great on your wrist? Time to check the battery life. Let's find out which one keeps going longer and saves you from frequent charging. Let's compare connectivity. We'll see how well these smartwatches keep you connected wherever you are. Let's explore the key features. What special functions and daily tools do these watches bring to your life? Now, let's talk about sound. From clearer calls to better music control, which one sounds better? Let's compare the sensors. Let's see which watch offers more precise tracking for your health and workout. Now, let's check the additional features, those extra smart tools that make daily life easier and workout smarter. And that's our full breakdown of the Garmin Vivoactive 6 and Venu 3. Both watches bring something to the table. Whether it's the sleek design of the Venu 3 or the all-rounder value of the Vivoactive 6, what's your pick? Let's chat in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quick and clear comparison, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe for more tech videos, and hit bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.